Hi, my name is João, and I'm going to talk about how I almost lost all my money in sports betting and how I could find a way to reverse that situation and be in condition for doing it for a living. I've always loved sports, so betting came naturally for me. I started doing around 5 years ago, and I immediately got hooked with the thrill of betting. I know you know what I mean. But the problem was that I couldn't win any money at the end of each month. So I started to buy a lot of those invisible systems. I think you know what I mean. And I spent a lot of money buying the systems, but I still couldn't make any money at all from sports betting. So if I continued like that, I would certainly lose all my money. Let me ask you a question. Are you successful in sports betting? Do you win money consistently at the end of each month? Well, probably not. Did you know that more than 98% of bettors don't win money in the long run? So you are not alone, okay? So I decided to do some online research and came across the Zcode system. Zcode system is not really a system. It's a community. It's a group of experts and sports betting enthusiasts that help each other to be successful. Since I joined Zcode system almost 3 years ago, I always make sure that I follow these four rules. Okay, listen carefully. Rule one: have the right money management strategy. This is perhaps one of the most important things in sports betting. With the right strategy, you'll never lose all your money, even during those unfortunate losing streaks that every bettor and even the experts have. Okay. Rule number two: uh, change your mindset. It's very important. If you want to succeed in sports betting, you have to deal with it as an investment, not as gambling. You have to be rational, not emotional. Okay. Rule number three: having the right tools to analyze games. The amount of stats that exist for all sports can be a bit overwhelming. If you have the right tools, it will be much easier to spot where the value is and, of course, win. And finally, rule number four is seeking expert help. This way, you'll be sure not to make a number of typical mistakes that newbies do usually. Okay, experts have gone through everything. They have already made a lot of mistakes to get where they are, so they can tell you exactly what to do and, of course, not to do. Okay, so I have another question for you. Do you want to be part of those 2% of sports bettor that win consistently over time? If you do, if you really need to check out what Zcode system can offer you. So click the link below and read my extensive review of Zcode system. Okay, just take action. Thank you. Bye.